nothing. Hey!
Hey! Easy, then say me you hug. You know hug well. Now they call it sideline
Don't
hugging.
you say that kind hug where IzyBeatz they hug. Then they call them sideline hugging.
Sideline hugging.
Sideline hugging.
Okay, which kind hugging they want?
Don't you which kind hugging you go like make IzyBeatz give?
Body slam.
No, body slam. You know that kind hugging when they say when you reach house, you go say, hey, man, can you bring water for me? You go say, hey, nah, this hugging. Hey, you gonna press your body. And then go use IzyBeatz.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Then go use
the coffee.
Nedu, wetin.
Then go.
My brother will not feed it all the tweet where people they say that you take do coffee. No. If we read a wahala go there. Coffee for prostitute now go cycle.
They say that kind.
Then the coffin go look like condom. One say the coffin go look like a bed. Hey, well. No, you see, if you say bed, some of those girls, they're on now for boot. Back of car.
So, Ando, how do we construct
how they go construct
that?
their no, they do like boot of car. They go just construct the boot, like boot.
So you go use the body go use there you
inside
like
the
this
boot.
inside
You go take a boot. You go take a boot.
So the body the hair. So you go lie like this inside the.
You go lie.
Now you say go get one kind position where the body go there for the boot.
For the boot.
Then go arrange
lie down. Then go arrange and wear like that. So think if you now 419 person, Jesus. See people too.
Jesus.
He say you and Katim now go look like a mouth.
She go be them inside thinking God.
I won't be that.
They go pull whiskers and then go be them inside big
anyway,
nylon.
Our phone number is there on top of TV now. Make us begin the callers. On top of what we discuss today now, stress for workplace, stress for where you dey work. Now what we dey discuss?
Define your type of stress.
Define wetin be your own stress. Some say na salary wey they never pay them.
Yes. Others say the stress we say they work too much. Others we say the stress we say too many color TV.
Anyway, we'll hand over properly now to Bumioni, the owner of money, the HR expert.
So define your stress.
Define what be your own stress.
Me and Nedu don't get stressed.
We don't get stressed. Nah, we roll like that. You know what I mean? High five, baby. IzyBeatz, I see you. Holla back.
Holla back one time.
One time. K-Solo holla back. One time.
I just say K-Solo get lighter for us now. K-Solo now Nedu say make I talk calm, no be me.
IzyBeatz hawk, now local government hawk.
Which one be federal government?
He said, Catherine no change. Say IzyBeatz hawk, now local government hawk.
Catherine no change.
I don't know.
So now you say they be federal government hawk. Local government.
Federal government. It is now federal government hog. Now be that when they go to press your body. Yeah, see, when they press your body finish, when you see the person next day, you go see the person they come, you go dodge.
Oh God.
Stress, workplace stress.
Yes, so
Wetin be workplace stress? Wetin they fit categorize as workplace stress? Maybe some we don't know, Nedu. Maybe we
Maybe stress we not know. And maybe we not
maybe the
know.
stress don't master us.
Okay, don't master us. What be workplace stress to even start with?
workplace stress, if it manifests itself in different ways, if it be emotional, if it be physical. But most times, people they get workplace stress, they get headache, stomach ache.
What's in the cause?
Stomach
Now
ache,
the stress. No, depression.
Yeah.
Some of them say now overweight. When they get workplace stress,
like Maureen,
they go come the. I know some Maureen too come get like Monica.
Well, she don't come down.
You know they come down anything. Maureen fat nothing come down. Maureen fat nothing come down.
She dey work everywhere now. She dey, you know.
And you don't see Continue.
Okay.
And then Fahad. K-Solo say make I talk Fahad. I don't know who be Fahad.
Okay.
Continue.
That was every stress.
No, you know if you mention another person now, me and you know him. When you know, when you're there, I cute face like this.
So if but most times stress is day work related.
Okay.
Because if you look at, we spend more hours at work than at home. So anything will happen to us here now work related. And some people that they undergo stress, they don't know say na stress.
So what if it be our own stress now? Me, Katim and DJIzyBeatz, what if it be our own stress now?
You know, say different kind of things they cause stress. But number one stressor, now we say you supposed to stay in control. Because if you look at it, not be everything where they around you, you go feel control. Okay. But some people we get low self-esteem, they go think say, if I no control these things now, they go say I dey powerless. Okay. Not be so.
But easy, I think in case when you're stressed now, if you not see cigar.
Or lighter.
Okay. If you not see lighter, if you not see lighter, you know say
that's number one stress.
So that's stress.
That's stress. It will be stress.
Okay, so take note. Nothing. You are powerful as a dead rat. There's nothing you can do.
So if you look at
can do attitude.
That's nice bits. So it they work related, you know. But some people don't know. Say now from work. They call this, they go think, say, that my wife too, they talk. That my husband too, they knack. Okay. I go get home now. He could just say talk. But now work-related stress. They go give her food, make it eat. He go say, oh, no, this food safe. I know if it sleep. Insomnia safe. Now signs of stress. But you can't talk, say, now the food where madam cook is too heavy. If nobody say I chop that food down, you go they fight me.
From Yola, good evening.
Evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
Godwin, are you with me?
I am with you.
What do you want to talk?
The kind of hug they do, not the front hug. May they do front hug.
May I do front hug, Abby? No mind IzyBeatz. Thank you. God bless you.
So now what you
Bye-bye. So now what do you get your call for?
We're in the middle of talking. You know, you don't even want
from
to
Katina, wait, you never hear anything, wait. Gabriel from Katina, good evening.
Why are they change my seat now?
No mind them, not there for work. We they hear you, how far?
Pertaining the stress issue, you know, our economy, they cause them. At work. Our economy not allow us to put the food down. You need to hustle.
Gabriel.
Yes.
You don't marry?
Of course.
Okay. No wahala. You see, Gabriel, thank you for this way to talk. God bless you. Thank you very much. Now, very good point you make. So, if you drop your call now, Moku talk more. But you see, why support what Gabriel talk now?
As in the economy, they
yes. Not we say our economy too bad like that. I mean, we they try. Our economy they try. It's still better past plenty countries.
Now developing economy.
Now developing economy now we get. But what make me they talk say our economy? Why support Gabriel now? Because of say for Yankee, for example, not how many hours you they work in a day. Now if you get one job.
No, that kind of hours something the master of.
Even for Yankee, things don't they change.
Yes, things don't change.
You see, last year somebody died for one company.
No, now yes.
And now work related stress.
Yeah, now work related. Then if the person get more than one job.
Most times now one job.
They are stressed now, baby.
Most people why I know they get one job.
They are stressed now, baby stress compared to stress when they
like my friend.
No, nobody they work for.
They get like 3 hours,
Nedu,
3 jobs.
All the platform, all the infrastructure where they need, it did their country. They be developed country, nobody say they be developing economy.
But you know, see,
so you know that stress where that
talk, Lagos traffic alone is enough.
No, that is stress.
4 a.m. in the morning. Ask Amos how many they take up.
You know, ask Amos in the cup. You see, normally, you go see person go wake up. You go see every Lagos person
you
now.
Go sleep.
You don't be like winch.
Yeah.
I tell
you know,
every
for
Lagos
bed again now.
Witchcraft.
For my house, I know they wait to make the alarm they ring again because my body don't get natural alarm.
You carry your head and put on
some
the
people
window.
when they reach some people when they lie down for bed, they don't go fit sleep. But when they sit down for chair, they go sleep because they don't used to sitting for bus like this or sitting for back of their car like this. The BRT, you understand? Or they do bam like this. You go wake up 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. I know which time you even sleep. So when
okay, when you sleep,
like 3 hours sleep or 4 hours.
You understand?
Maybe your guy don't agree you sleep for night. By the time you even cook finish,
that one self they cause stress.
That one they
you go reach house 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Yeah. You can't sleep 1, 2, 3 hours, 4 o'clock. You don't wake up. Why you not go get headache? Chooks from Mori, good evening, because
now related stress.
Related stress.
Related stress.
Not be work. Hello,
never
Chooks.
start work now.
Oh.
Okay, don't talk.
We don't talk.
Okay.
Worry.
Hello.
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 How are you?
How are you?
I'm feeling you much.
I'm feeling you much.
Yeah.
That night, choose the call.
Hey, choose the call.
From worry.
You say, you are just now, maybe not too much talk. Now, stress for too much talk, now you the get.
Now try for too much talk, now you they get. You.
Hello.
Hello.
I dey hear you.
I dey hear you. Bye. Talk about the level. Talk about.
Hello.
Hi, love. How are you doing?
Good evening.
You good? Hello.
You're right.
You alright, bye?
Good evening. Now, well done. I dey enjoy my show. Well.
Oh, thank you, love. You're right.
What kind of stress do you have?
What kind of stress do you have?
You follow me speak.
Hi, love. Toppy.
Now the phone they give am
Toppy.
stress.
Toppy.
Toppy.
Nedu.
Yes, Toppy.
Yeah.
You can tell us what kind of stress do you have?
What kind of stress do you have?
I think it's the phone that is giving us stress.
Okay, I think you're using
It
a
must
China
be the
phone.
phone. Yeah, it
And the
must be
phone
the
is giving
phone.
you some
And the phone is
stress.
your
It must
stress.
be, yeah.
It must be the phone.
Must be the phone.
Toppy, don't worry. We are going to get you 2 phones. Thank you. Over to you.
Do I see him having one?
Continue, you go.
Come on, something else.
Is it that work-related stress when you say people they sleep inside motor? People
Yes, now,
By the
because
time
you
you
never
reach-
start the work.
Okay.
It's still there on the way to work. So now related stress, you never start the work self.
And your
Cause
body fit dey by the time
exactly.
you reach office, you never, realize or get
Common
yourself.
sources of workplace stress. Guess I'm number 1 on the list. Number 1, wetin dey cause number 1 stress?
Salary.
God bless you. Low salary.
That one is stress.
Wow.
Yes, now number 1 stressor na low salary.
Wow.
Because people they feel say like all this work related stress wey we dey talk. You feel say all the wahala they go through before I reach house. I wake up every morning.
How much then they pay me?
I can't reach office for 5 o'clock in the morning. I go clock in. They no go measure that. They no go measure that time from that my 5:30 where I clock in
No
till
concern
8:30 where I go.
anybody,
No
yes.
concern anybody. Meanwhile, I don't dey do this work for 2 years, 3 years. See the kind nyama
That thing alone, sef, alone,
rubbish
it go make
salary.
you go
wey
make your
dem dey
mood
pay
first
me.
go down.
Exactly.
From good evening, from Kaduna,
your mind no go
from
today dey
Kogi, good evening.
Oh, joy.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah.
Hi, Lynn.
Sonny, now your name?
Yes, my husband.
Sonny, now your husband phone.
Yes,
How are you?
Okay.
I'm fine, yo.
How is your mommy?
It's fine.
Hope you are taking your vegetables.
Yes, I'm taking it.
Good.
Nedu.
Na, I do come my pastor to one.
Well done. I like your job.
Oh, thank you. We
You
like
say
your
your job,
too.
oh.
Not like you like the show, I be my job.
I like the show.
Just to be clear, can one guy dey kweku.
Make you no go cause wahala.
Just to
Bye.
be clear.
Bye. Hala. Continue.
And like women, me and Katim now, we can't go birthday party. We can't see one chick with just they show herself, everything. They can't talk say the girl just start the job 1 year ago.
And say her salary finish like 500K.
With allowances.
Now when you reach
And
work the
benefit.
next day, sef, you stress don't dey your head already before you even follow come. Felix, good evening.
On top say you climb bus, jump bus, go work.
How you doing, my brother?
Adefan, are you with me?
Nah, I'm with you. One how today now?
With this one, no,
What be your own stress?
I'm not sure if I get yours. If I didn't want this my show, all the old soil will just come up from my body.
Felix, we can work with do, but we know just in case when that time come, what they go fit bury you inside?
That is business man.
Oh, now money be they go use
They go coffin,
They go
baby.
use money take do coffin.
They go
Like
make
dollar.
the coffin with money.
You know,
Or different currency.
Honestly.
I don't go back. Felix, thank
Auntie Bumi, good evening.
Good evening.
See,
See, before, if you talk well, but now you don't follow the lady. Why? They don't use that. You know what the point of the film because now we have the laugh.
Why you dey quarrel?
Not the deal like those two people.
Felix, now
Please, don't be quarrel. Please, oh please.
Please up, Felix. Felix, please up, please. Thank you for calling, Felix. Hello. Etebong. Eketebong. I am with you. Oh, now how is you?
Come on.
What will be your own stress?
Let us talk to that woman. You know, see, I don't have now,
Okay, for office, that be your own stress.
You see, my because I'm not reach that place before 6:15 because they begin to go school by 6:30.
Oh.
I saw you going to call me. Where you there? I thought I was going to worry. Even at that, I was the man. Where they go to? Follow like this. Follow like this. I don't see yourself with if you give somebody you have protection.
Which means that driver you be?
That's all.
Hey, yeah, no worry. No, you go better.
We go still talk how to manage those kind of stress.
Eketebong, don't worry. We go talk. I don't know. We go talk how you go take manage your guy. No worry, just the here. We go talk. Thank you. This guy want Eketebong make you not go knock in the beginning for head one day. Come on, enter this car. Nonsense. Your father wake me up. Your father wake me up. Come on.
When you reach, you go clean motor.
Hey, yeah. My brother, no worry. Now one day everything go change. Thank you very much. Thank you. If I leave this guy, go talk to people.
Make it look on the bright side. After he wash motor finish, he go enter AC.
I'm sorry, JJ, good evening. I listen to Cool FM on Wazobia FM. JJ.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Evening, how are you, Nedu?
Fine, how are you too?
How you doing?
I got to Katim.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
An IzyBeatz.
Yes.
Oh, well, what causes stress is poverty.
Gabadea ko.
Yeah.
Mari.
Now your own finish.
Poverty. If you have money, no stress. No money.
JJ, you know why you're on poverty day. You're on a poverty. Thank you very much.
Poverty, not
Poverty.
Not the poverty, now poverty.
Finish.
I don't okay, my brother.
Now go the JJ, now go the go. Say this, Abby.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You just go straight to the point.
Yes.
No,
All
but
this English.
But check them. As you take talk, say number one reason for stress for work and a salary. Now,
Low salary.
Low salary. For example, my brother, who belle no go sweet to they go work? If you know, say work where they do, they pay you 1 million naira in a month. Now, traffic, you go sleep. In fact, you're not going to even go house. You can just get work.
You go to sleep for the office.
You go to sleep for the office.
You don't go mind now. Can
If they say closing time, they say
5 days, you don't
no.
go reach us.
They say pleasant time. They say
Say no, I
no.
do the close for this work.
I'm a very. I have can do.
No, I got it.
If there is a lady we have over time, I'll do it.
No, but this job.
If you go after your job description.
Yes.
You understand? But see, I'm not gonna give you. Our country is I love Nigeria till tomorrow. Beautiful country we will get. Now the thing will be say you go see so many people. How much in the college salary?
Yes.
20,000,
Yeah.
30,000. But
And they could go come out pension.
they'll come out pension, contributing
tax.
pension. They'll come out tax. They'll come out those things. Now tell me why that person go they happy for what way they do.
Yeah.
But still, you get some people where I know where they collect that same money. Then they do their work well.
Diligence, yeah.
With diligence.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Anyway,
On top of
continue.
that, you go send children go school. That man wake up that time when say the economy, economy,
Yeah, the economy,
situation,
yeah.
add all the cost of things.
Yeah.
If you ask her now, maybe he don't pay school fees finish. So now he yours humble. Where in there?
You understand? I'm not gonna lie, give you most of the stress people they go through as a G money music TikTok or gas them.
What happen with the guys? We say, you know the pressure they cascade down from top. Their own orgas too, they put pressure on them.
Okay.
So they too, instead of make them find
So
a way
do
to
like
manage
a
this
family
way,
tree.
they go just come out on top the one where madam they give them for house, pack everything together, just jump on the thing.
That's the one way girlfriend. So.
Then you know that thing safe lack of something, they cause them.
Yes. The guy one guy where I remember that time for total for Kaduna. The money when they collect salary, almost nothing. Now, one of the regional manager there come and tell us make you do one work. The guy can't do work, finish, do work, finish. We don't remember, do the work precisely. Not being the guy can't expect say, man, this work we ain't do so. See the manager go, he goes square up better money. My brother.
Thank you.
My brother. If I thank you, I swear for better.
Handshake.
Handshake. If the handshake, it go good.
What happened?
He said the guy just call him. This thing happened like 2 years ago. Call him, say, thank you. Carry new 200 naira. Give up.
200 naira. One note, 200 naira.
New, I swear, no play.
No be 100 naira.
New 200 naira. New single 200 naira. Give him. I seen collector. Now he say, okay, sir, thank you, sir. Okay, what's the name of that your son again? That one we just come on. That your small son. He got to say, I beg me give him. Tell him to say this guy for office. Give him.
That's bad.
That's bad.
Really bad.
You
Really
really
bad.
make mockery of the person or how? Yeah, IzyBeatz. Then give you demonstration.
I beg, Mona see camera zoom in on this thing so that IzyBeatz. They say now so.
It's supposed to
hug.
I beg, camera zoom in where so that IzyBeatz will understand how you should hug.
People don't think I'm very personal.
People are taking this in
It be like say
personally.
this now that federal government
This
call.
IzyBeatz, this is how you hug.
Yes.
This is how you hug.
They don't see who this guy is.
My brother, leave that thing. They don't want to know. Hug na hug.
That is it. IzyBeatz, play your Benin boy line very well. Slide 2003 say, give her Obama hug. Yes. Play your Benin boy line very well.
Okay, let's do it again. IzyBeatz, come on. Come, let's try it.
We don't pause.
We don't pass.
Oh yeah.
IzyBeatz, come on. If you fall our hand. Stay. IzyBeatz. Sly is believing in you.
Yes.
He said, don't fall the hand of Benin people.
Yes.
Don't fall the hand of Benin kingdom.
Oh yeah, play song.
Play song.
Play song.
They use song
Play
now.
song. Play song. Why the hug they go?
No, the question. Play one music.
Play one music.
Now brotherly hug.
That is it. My brother, if you go out now, you go eat where? You go sleep where? Your blood go pump where?
All your fans go down there.
All your fans go happy now. IzyBeatz not fall our hand.
You go soon see the tweet. Which kind of abuse they go to abuse?
We hate you.
Anthony say, hug, show say, in na virgin. I like easy chop knuckle, you too try. This IzyBeatz hug does not reflect his can-do attitude. He said that hug no reflect can-do. Now, it has reflect can-do attitude. Yes. You can see now. I mean, send us una tweet.
Send us una tweet.
Tell us how una feel.
Tell us how una feel.
Yeah.
I mean,
What is it?
what is it? What are you not talking about?
I don't know.
Me and Katim now, we can hug ourselves, we can kiss, we lick our ear together.
Anytime.
We lick ear.
So I don't know.
We are licking.
Yes.
Do it.
Do what? No, we don't like showing ourselves.
No. I know very on impromptu occasion.
Sometimes it don't happen. Pow. We know the planner.
Yeah.
Continue because
Number 2 for stress now. Excessive workload.
yes, that another I agree.
In fact, somebody for one company for US, Goldman Sachs, he died last year, 2014, because the guy is an entry-level guy.
Okay.
They can't load them with mid-level job.
I hear that.
And they go don't give them timeline. We suppose meet.
Okay.
The workload just too much. The guy just die. Then others where they that level will get the same problem. Then the research shows say then they suicidal.
Hey.
They feel kill themselves.
Yes, now they feel kill themselves because now emotional torture, emotional stress.
Because you feel say if you not do this in the visa for work.
Exactly.
So you
in
guys,
these days of
kill yourself. You not go sleep.
downsizing, economic depression,
Exactly.
all those kind of things, and then they give you timeline. You get deliverables, and this thing it don't do too much. And nobody where you go.
Even here for, you get person
even here, I hear somebody.
The papa say, come, don't come and die for me, please. Please open.
Oh,
Now
after the boy
only
is
him.
sick now.
After the boy is sick. Only you, they walk the walk every night, 1 to 5 in
Somebody,
the morning time.
they say he faint due to workload.
Somebody faint now, we go clinic today. I don't want to call his name. He get clinic today. My own guy. You understand?
Now,
when work stress they too much,
exactly.
when workload they too much.
And they won't meet timeline, they won't deliver.
Understand? And because what you go make them fall? What you go make you fall down? Because say you self, you want do the work, you want deliver. You understand? You are willing to, but my brother, they say the spirit is willing, but
so it's weak.
It's weak.
But it's the body that is weak.
It's my brother. The guy go drag me, the body go tell you, now stop there. Come on, sit down there. You want to kill yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. Then number 3 be say when person dey a particular job or they do one particular job where few opportunities for growth or advancement no dey. It cause stress.
And all those kind of work when they be say you dey do am, you go sit down. Nothing where you go do when they be say go make you go higher level of the job. It's just that place where you do.
And you don't do am 1 year, 2 years, 3 years.
Round the circle.
Round the circle. Not be say even if they do performance appraisal, where they want promote am go. Nowhere now. Now that same place where you don't they do.
One place.
That's just one place. So now if they say salary no go increase. The low salary where we they complain about for number 1. The person go come the experience am. You know, it dey cause stress.
Appraise us now. Yes, we dey so.
They go say we dey talk well.
So that's all. That's all. So it dey equivalent enough or qualified enough to move us to the next level.
Narrating.
You don't understand? We have 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yes. Okay.
If you understand,
yes,
continue.
Yes.
Then number 4, when the work no dey too engaging or challenging. You know, some people they like make they take challenging roles.
Yeah.
That one a good opportunity to challenge themselves, you know, and prove to the employer say I fit do am. I sabi the job. Even if you add to my job description, apart from the thing where I no be say to pack workload on top the person, but the person they deliver on the job description, they can't add. So some people they like those kind challenging things. They say yes, it is show an opportunity to show say if he move to the next level. In fact.
Like the now, we fit me and Nedu now. We fit do this show like no day NEPA. We go just do like that. In the night, we know which camera to look at. That's it. That's our can do attitude.
Yes. Without supervision.
That's so we do. We get the challenge.
Without generator or anything.
Without anything. We
it's
just
true.
sit down.
It's challenging.
No be so.
Yes, sister, continue.
Yes.
So if the person can't do one kind role.
IzyBeatz acted under duress.
Can you just
Anthony, this time Anthony, I feel like say, when I don't see the distance between him and Madam for leg. Anthony, Emecheta, you.
IzyBeatz acted under duress.
He said, be like person when they still kiss. Try.
You see, say you don't fit satisfy human beings.
No, but through he was under duress. Why is that far? IzyBeatz, you're supposed to raise 1 leg. Use 1 leg, take. You go use 1 leg, hug him from side. You will do this before the end of the show.
Q on call say, my name was stress na September stress because he has been thinking of school.
Bali, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
How you doing, my brother?
Fine.
Now, how today?
I'm fine.
Are you with me?
I enjoy your show.
What is your own stress?
My stress is you Nedu.
I think you're stressed.
Nedu, your stress
your
relief.
sister, where we are ready, now she won't marry. You know,
Otio.
if you give me permission.
Oh, you want marry? No, you don't worry. You know what's going to happen, You got filling station?
No, I don't have filling station.
You not get filling station?
No, I get Boko Haram camp.
Sorry now.
No.
Now I'm going to come look for you. Sorry, bye-bye, Bali. See your name, Bali. I was going to say Bali.
No, Valentine.
Bali stick.
You get one nice shoe, Italian leather, Bali. Yes,
I know that one. Maybe in the sell shoe.
Maybe say they go.
You know why he said the Italian leather and in the sell shoe? Ain't not they said the original one. Maybe now Bendon boutique.
But maybe they call them Bali shoes.
But Nedu, if he die, now he say you go do him coffee like shoe.
Like shoe.
He the guy, Abi. If the guy die, no. If you when your time reach to die, Your coffee na shoe.
Yes.
Then they come put different designers.
They do. No,
stick
you
up
know,
for the
they know say get some those okay. They know they get designers.
Ah, not true.
Some na plain. Some the name go don't wash out.
Okay.
Zara, Nazar, or
Dirty.
Ara.
Or dirty. No, Gabbana no good.
IzyBeatz, you just moved to state government hall. Because I see spells. Feel free. It's official. Your fan understand.
Catherine,
All I do, girl, good evening. Good evening, sir. All I do, girl, how today? Long time,
Okay, Nedu, how you doing?
Ogam we dey.
Well done.
What be your own stress? All I do, girl.
Well, to be as you they walk now, you they give news. They do this thing.
No,
They
you.
do that.
Your own.
Make you just from your own face. How you they get your own money? So you as you they walk on, so the money they come.
What be my own stress?
Your own stress be say you go give news. You go work for TV. You go work for radio.
Yeah.
You go show. You go do show. You go do nothing. No, why? No, nothing. What you know they do.
My brother.
You're supposed to get money past everybody for this Nigeria.
No, what thing God give me power to do, I they do. I don't know do it. When if I
This is what they do. So meanwhile, the thing what they do is not for. See, you hear me?
I hear you.
If not for abroad, they do this type of work, na billionaire for be.
My brother.
Na billionaire for be. But you can't decide the work only one Lebanese one. Then they carry the whole money.
Now,
You want abuse us before? You want abuse us before?
Please. Our guy is a very good guy.
This person will get no salary.
Please, he's a good man, no, because
bye-bye. We know your stress now. Frank, our last caller for today, because good
You
evening.
see, they get low salary. That's why they talk like that.
Hello.
Frank, how is you?
Wetin happen now?
How you doing, Nedu?
Hey, I did fine.
I'm good. How about this?
I don't ask you that one now. Now since last week I asked
Hello.
you.
IzyBeatz.
Yes, boss, good evening.
Well, yeah.
Oh, yes, say no.
Go your.
No.
Come on, Nedu, first of all, you don't marry.
Why?
IzyBeatz.
Yeah?
Nedu don't marry.
why?
Why
you
they
wanna
ask?
know?
Are they still ring for your hands?
Anybody feel a ring now?
Yes, now.
You don't see ring for my hand.
See ring for my hand
You don't
too.
see ring for Katim hand?
No.
Me self get ring for my hand.
Not before play.
No, man, my finger now. Anyway, I want to finger the ring. I finger the ring there.
No.
But they do at the enjoy the program, Sha.
Thank you very much, boss.
you.
Thank you.
God go bless all
Now
of
you
you.
come.
Thank you very much. God
We
bless
hope
you.
that we don't relieve your stress.
Hope say we don't come on your stress. Bye.
If you don't get,
You don't if you don't get stress.
No how.
You know say we don't get time now. We have
No.
Okay, now here we go stop for
Why
today.
people they do all this hawk? IzyBeatz, why you fall our hand? We don't know the carry
IzyBeatz go do this for one
You
last
too
time.
scared to hawk.
You IzyBeatz, you have to do this for one last time.
Hey,
Now,
hey.
if you do it well, you go hug Katim and Jara.
IzyBeatz
That's
force
why I
of
buy one,
attraction
get one
was
free.
Buy
low.
one, get one free. If you do it well, you go hug Katim and
Anthony
Jara.
Gerald say IzyBeatz force of attraction was low when taking the second hawk.
The person don't analyze that.
why did they?
Force
Even
of
if you don't go
attraction.
state house
Yes.
now, Abi.
Anyway, double toilet so Bumi Oni. They say stress, what do they call stress? Salary where they low, workload
excessive
went too
workload,
much,
yes.
and then
Few opportunities for growth and
few opportunities for
advancement.
growth. When we come back next Monday,
Yes.
we
We'll
continue
continue.
on
Tell
top
you
of
how
it.
to deal with
How
those
to deal with them.
stresses.
Felix, nobody will go fit deal with your own by that next week Monday. But for now, just manage your guy.
don't
No
finish-
knocking
they
bikini,
don't-
no.
they don't-
Now, IzyBeatz, come outside. Come outside.
You. People just dey vex for you. He said,
Oh yeah, IzyBeatz,
you
please
are
come
just
outside.
partially
Oh yeah,
man
do
enough.
the last hug.
Yes.
Make people respect you
Tell
well.
him to show us he's fully man enough.
Oh yeah, come.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.